Oh crap, that's the second cop car I've seen in 5 minutes. I better slow down to speed limit.
Teenagers these days in their fast cars. Too bad they don't know their calculus very well.
Hello, officer. How are you doing?
Son, that's the wrong window.
Sorry.
Do your front window.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's easier that way.
Stupid cops.
I'm Officer Jones. Ben Jones from the Boulder Police Department.
Oh, how are you doing, sir?
Doing okay. How about you?
Alright. Just going to my friend's house to watch the UCLA Duke basketball game.
Oh. See, you're a fan of the UCLA.
Yes, sir.
Can I have your license and registration, please?
Oh, yes. 1 second. Yes, sir.
Thank you. You know what you were doing wrong?
Kind of. But I was going speed limit when you pulled me over.
Yes, but have you heard of the MVT theorem in calculus?
Oh, we just learned that.
You know that you were speeding during that 5 mile period that you just ventured?
I forgot that there was this other cop. Did he talk to you?
Yes, he radioed me. Tell me to look out for a gold Honda.
I know what you're talking about.
Okay. Go give you a ticket. Here you go, son.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
You too. Oh, hey. What's up, Zach?
Dude, where were you? The game started like 20 minutes ago.
Dude, so long story. Anyway, what's the score?
Duke's up by 10.
Oh my god. This is such a bad day.
What happened?
Well, first when I was driving over to your house, I was a little bit late anyways. So I decided to get here as quick as I could.
Okay.
And you know what that entails.
Just speed a little bit?
Yeah.
Put the pedal in the middle?
Yeah, so here, I'll drop for you.
Okay.
Alright, so here's the road. Here's the road driving down to your house. And alright, so the speed limit is 50 miles per hour right here. And out of the corner of my eye, I saw a cop. So, cop A. So, at point A, I decided to slow down so I wouldn't get a ticket. So, I was going 45 miles per hour right here. So, I was driving and I sped up a little bit. Then 5 minutes later, I saw another cop, cop B. So, between these two cops was a distance of 5 miles. And so, in 5 minutes I got from cop A to cop B. And again I saw this cop, so I started slowing down. And again I was only going 45 miles per hour. But as soon as I got past cop B, his siren started going off, and I was like, oh shoot, he's gonna pull me over. So then he pulled me over, and I knew exactly why. But I didn't know if the cop knew why. So the cop pulled me over, and he started talking about calculus, and I knew he knew it. So apparently cop A had radioed cop B and said that there's this gold pilot driving and to keep a watch on him. So the cop said he knew that 5 minutes ago and 5 miles ago that he was driving where cop A was. So he said that he calculated my average speed. So this is what he did. Well, so I was driving. In that span, I drove 5 miles. And in that 5 miles, that took me 5 minutes. And this is how I calculate my average speed. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And that means that my average speed is 60 miles per hour. So this obviously means that I was driving 10 miles per hour over the speed limit of 50 at some point within this span. So the cop's reasoning for pulling me over was that I was going 10 miles per hour at least at one point during this span, so he pulled me over using the mean value theorem of calculus.
Now let's get back to the game. Good thing Duke's still winning.
God, this is such a bad day.